So today we're running you through the storage system installations that is included in your Luminate Essentials content. But there is an expanded topic there that's available as an upgrade. We'll cover that in a separate topic. This is useful for tracking and understanding what's happening within the storage market so that you can decide to throw some effort there when it's appropriate to do so. This topic is located in the topics storage menu there, and as I mentioned, it's included in your Luminate Essentials subscription. The first chart here is based on the DER register, how many installations have occurred in cumulative sense and annual sense as well for across the country. So useful information there. Note that this DER register is incomplete. We do find some holes in it, but this will at least provide you with some trends and analyses at a quarterly level of how many volumes of storage have gone in. We are also able to provide you with some information on which of the leading brands that have got most market share in the recent 3 months, based on our partnership with Open Solar. So that's useful information for you as well. As I mentioned, there's a lot more in our storage upgrade, which I'll run through in a separate video. Thanks so much for watching.